Hi friends, this is my web technology science experiment. Here in my experiment, first I open my head tag and in my body tag I have given a division called division with a name, and in my PHP session I am using a session. First session is underscore start. My style sheet is style sheet and reference is style.css, and using form action, when the button is pressed the action should go to page2.php, and the post is method is post. Here in my h1 I've given a name called shoes, and in my input type is equals to checkbox, where the values where my data can be fetched from it. And next is casual shoes, and for that input is also checkbox, and formal shoes, three type of shoes. And my class is equals to, in my division class is equals to row. I given a random name. In my table first tr id is equals to I1, and input type is equals to radio, and id is equals to p2 and radio button. I have to enter the value, that is the range of my shoe. The next one is in the style, in the table heading I given the style is equals to aligned left, so it will be aligned left side. First my shoe is 500 and the second one is 700. Next is the select the name is equals to quantity, that is quantity that I need. I am putting it in the checkbox, so it must be in a drop down list. For that I am using option, that is value is equal to 1, 2 and 3, and similarly size is equals to ABC, and color is also red, green and blue. In my PHP session, in the next sheet above the shipping details, that is form action page 3.php, method is equals to post. Here in my session I am displaying all the values, that is submit, that is the radio, quality, size and color, everything will be submitted using post method. Since we mentioned that method is equals to post, I am using method post to take all the values which is being entered by the user to the next page. My next HTML page is first name, details of the user, that is first name, last name, street address, city, state and zip code. Everything is got using the text box. Using the text box I got everything, and also using two radio buttons I am getting the rupees. In my PHP I am displaying all the I am getting in the session, that is session tag is $_session, f name, l name, address is a name which you can give, that is equals to $_post f name. This f name is a name which is entered by the user. You are able to see here f name, l name, address, city, state. These are all the values which is being entered by the user is assigned to the session. Session, f name, l name, everything using PHP. And my next one is using form action. I'm directing it to the page 4 PHP, where in my page 4 this everything should be displayed, that is my name, address, city, zip code, email, phone number should be displayed in my next page, and what and all that I have been selected, that is the item, quantity and amount. My item is, the quantity is get through the PHP, where $PHP echo, that is to display the quantity. $_session quantity is already the quantity is stored in the session page, so it gives the quantity that is selected by the user. And next the cost of the shoe. And next is session radio 2. This is also the total value, that is total thing that I have been selected. And at last I am giving a submit button. When I give a submit button, that is confirm order, it will display you thank you for shopping in the next page. Now let us see the output. This is my page. I am selecting casual shoes. I am selecting this one for rupees 500. Quantity is 1. Size is 8. And my color is red. And I am giving next button. And I have to enter the details of the user. Similarly, city, state, some state, phone number, some number, and email ID is something underscore gmail.com. And express, that is shipping, is standard means it rupees 50, and for express it will be in fast delivery. And I am selecting my details is here, and my total amount. Quantity is 2. My total amount is be displayed here, and I'm confirming it so that thank you for shopping. This is all about 7th experiment. Thank you.